Hello everyone, that's Marcelo from Canal do Binex. I will teach you guys today how to create a file to recover a password that you've been forgotten or that you've been lost. You don't remember anyway. It may be from your home or from your company. Any kind of computer that you're using and have be connected from your router or modem device. Okay. The way you do that, doing this, is creating a file called key.bat. I'll use notepad to create this file, and it will be executed and create two files in another extension. Okay, and will to be located at the folder C. So let's put that in practice. Okay, let's create it. So first we have to type notepad. After doing this, click in notepad. We have to write this code in this notepad. This code is in the description as well, so you can copy and paste here in the notepad, okay, to be easiest and fast. And now let's save it and put the name. Please choose all files here and the name of the file. That will be key.bat. That's the name for we start to recovering. Okay? Click and save it and close. To execute the file we've been created, you have to execute as administrator. Okay? If not, will not work properly. Let's click here and okay, done. Here is, he found two profile in my Wi-Fi, in my modem or router. Is being created two files, okay? The file has the name binex.sml and binary-hyper.xml, okay? This is the name of my Wi-Fi. Let me show you guys here. Binex and Binex Hyper. Okay. Let's looking for where is the files. Let's click on the folder. Here is the letter C, folder C. Okay. Let's click on it. Let's check. Look at that. Here's the both files created. We click here and click and edit. Okay. And then we have to looking for the key of the password. The name of where is the place to you found the key is key material. Key material. In key material, we've been described your password that you've been lost. Okay, or forgot. Close and let's test the other file to check if the password is there. Let's look for the file again. Key material. Here is key material. Okay. That's way you can easily find your password that you've been lost. Okay. Please subscribe at my channel and give a like. Okay. Thank you very much for watching the video until the final. Thank you very much.